lettuce, cheese, onions and egg. First, I will take the bread, take out one slice and spread the mayonnaise to the bread. And now put lettuce, onions, cheese and egg. Cover it with the other slice of bread and the healthy sandwich is done.